Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a eToro account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in eToro.com. Now, you will be directed to official homepage of eToro. On the center of the screen, you can see Join eToro button. Click on it. Now, you need to type in your email address in this field here. After that, type in your username here and type the password in this field. Now click on Accept and I acknowledge button and click on Create Account. Now pick a free asset and click on Continue. So that is how you can create eToro account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.